Most people will never build real wealth. Not because they're lazy. Not because they're not smart. But because the system is designed to keep them broke. Today, we're going to break that cycle and show you exactly how to escape it. The real reason people stay poor, it's not about income. You can make $100,000 a year and still live paycheck to paycheck. The truth is, most people stay poor because of three invisible traps: scarcity mindset, bad financial habits, social pressure to spend, and none of these are taught in school. This mindset tells you, money is hard to get, rich people are lucky, if I earn more, I'll just lose it anyway, so you stop trying. You play small. And you never invest in skills, assets, or yourself. To escape poverty, you need to shift your mindset from survival to growth. Most people never track their spending. They don't know where their money goes. And they confuse comfort with progress. They spend more time picking a Netflix show than planning their financial future. Wealth isn't built on income. It's built on habits. Paying yourself first, investing early, avoiding lifestyle creep, saying no more than yes. Want to know what keeps people poor? Trying to look rich. New cars. Name brands. Weekend flexes on Instagram. It's all debt in disguise. Here's the truth. Rich people stay rich because they live below their means and invest the rest. If your friends pressure you to spend money you don't have, you're not in a circle, you're in a trap. So how do you escape? Step 1. Track every dollar. Awareness is power. Step 2. Build a survival budget and stick to it. Step 3. Learn one skill that can make you money online. Step 4. Start a side hustle, even if it makes just $10 a week. Step 5. Invest early, even if it's just $20 a month. Progress is more powerful than perfection. The system won't save you. Your job won't save you. And the lottery definitely won't. But you can. You don't need a fancy degree. You need discipline, patience, and a plan. Most people stay poor because they wait for permission. Don't. Start now. If this hit you, it's time to change. Subscribe to WealthFlow Media for real strategies to build income, break the cycle, and take control of your financial future.